Hey you guys, I'm Shamaira at Baby Girl Sham. Today I'm here on the new episode of Kicks and Fits. I'm here with the Air Force Ones, Just Do It, and we're gonna pick out an outfit to go with these today. This year, it's the 30th year anniversary for the Just Do It slogan. As you can see, they referenced it on the back and on the little tag. They've been releasing a bunch of different sneakers referencing this Just Do It slogan just to celebrate the 30th year anniversary. My favorite thing about it, I would say, is the textured leather on it. It's like amazing. I definitely love just the fact that they put the Just Do It logo all over the shoe. It gives it a sort of like patchwork detail to it. You can wear like a nice crisp clean outfit with these and then throw these on and this will be like, you know, your pattern or your pop of color. Today, I'm gonna try and style it with their new collection that they dropped with it. This is what I first noticed when I walked in here. This Just Do It display, they go perfectly with the shoes. I would definitely go with these leggings just because it has that overall pattern to it that goes perfectly with that back logo. Now I need to find a basic shirt to go along with these leggings. Now, because the leggings and the sneakers, they both have like orange, white, black, I really want to get like a t-shirt to like, you know, highlight that. Definitely a crew neck because, I don't know, that's just the silhouette that I prefer. And yes, a large because I like my oversized. Now let's try to find like a jacket to layer on top because you don't want to be too simple. I actually really like this white jacket and I'd probably go with a large again. See how like the white layers up top, probably throw on like, you know, jewelry, accessories, baby hairs, sunglasses. I think that these pieces are hitting. This is a good fit. I'm gonna find some sunglasses just because it's a signature of mine. I always have sunglasses on with every fit. These are like a smaller frame, very retro, very in. Oh my God. These are beautiful. Like, come on. This is amazing. Okay, hold on, is this, oh my God, this is really cute. It's spray ground and this like silhouette of bag is just very in right now. Like so many different people are like recreating the silhouette. Now I got everything that I needed. I'm gonna go try the stuff on and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. This is the final product. I really like the outfit. And the funny thing is I don't usually wear leggings just because I don't wear tight pants. But I really like these and proportionate wise, like it leveled out perfectly. When I originally showed you guys the jacket, I got a large, but I ended up going up to an extra large just to give it that really oversized cocoon shape. I really love like how the sunglasses just bring together like the whole like retro-y vibe. Tell me how you guys like my fit. Tell me if you don't like it, if you do like it. I mean, I like it, so. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next episode of Kicks and Fits.